Hey, if you want to study medicine and surgery, aka MBBS in Italy in English language, then you know you have to write IMAT exam. And if you are currently preparing for IMAT exam, or if you haven't started your preparation yet, remember limited time period is remaining. So in this video, I will be giving you how you can cover whole your syllabus within 30 days with a 30 days planner given to you pre-built, and that planner will contain all the subjects of IMAT: biology, chemistry, physics, logical reasoning, maths, even general knowledge as well. With that planner, you will be having everyday live lectures for 2.5 hours every single day. There will be 60 plus hours of lectures. On top of that, there will be a community where there will be students from around the globe where you can discuss all your weaknesses. But in that community, you will have a dedicated section of daily schedule where you will be getting every day what you need to study, because as you know, there is low yield stuff and high yield stuff. For IMAT exam, you need to study high yield content which have been asked in IMAT past exams, and that's gonna be asked in your upcoming exam. This is very important because in a specific chapter there is always low yield topics that you don't need to study. So in the daily schedule, you will be getting what is important, what you really need to study for this specific chapter. And after daily schedule, there will be a past paper quiz shared with you. I will extract all the past paper questions, and I will share before the live lecture with you for the specific chapter we're gonna cover in that live lecture. So you can have all the questions ready for you, so you can attempt that, and you will be getting scores for that because it's gonna be proper quiz. Once you attempt it, you will know your weaknesses, either you know it or not. This is how IMAT has asked. Once you attend the live lecture, that past paper quiz will be discussed in that live lecture. So this is how you will master the chapter you haven't. And now after the live lecture, you will be given best PDFs of the best textbooks for your preparation, so you can read them, that same chapter that you studied in the live lecture. After reading the chapter, you will be given a chapter wise question bank, so you can solve the questions related to the similar chapter. And then there will be a very highly IMAT oriented question bank will be shared with you that will have tons of questions. Okay, now you might be like, this looks really complicated. Let me make it easier for you to understand. First thing, as you know, we run every single year 2 live courses in July and August for IMAT preparation. This is gonna cover your whole IMAT syllabus with live lectures. So there's gonna be 60 plus hours of content shared with you, but that's not the only thing. This is going to be a system where you will get in and your whole syllabus will be completed. So if you haven't prepared yet, or if you are starting your IMAT preparation and you are really procrastinating, you are not like, I'm progressing daily, or you scroll a lot and you are not focused. So this system is going to help you cover your whole IMAT syllabus within 30 days with the best planner. So you can join this. You will get to know how you can join this at the end of the video, but let me break it down how it will complete your whole syllabus with the best resources, with the best concepts, every single thing given to you. You just have to cook. So how it will be happening? Okay, first thing, you are going to be given a whole 30 days planner. Now this planner will be made up of chapters. Of course, we will be covering every day 1 or 2 chapters, because within 30 days we have to complete the whole syllabus, all the subjects of your IMAT exam. So you will be given this 30 days planner every week. Weekly planner will be shared with you. For the 4 weeks, your whole syllabus will be covered. But that's not the only thing. Okay, once you have got the 30 days planner, what you need to study every single day, now there is going to be every day 2.5 hours live lecture for you for the same chapter that will be written in your planner. Now this is going to be very IMAT oriented lecture that gonna cover whatever IMAT has asked in the past. That will be based on the full analysis from the past papers, and then what IMAT will be asking in future, like what is the most important thing. So every topic will be taught to you thoroughly in that live lecture. But before the live lecture, there will be 2 important things shared with you. First thing, daily schedule. Let's say today in the planner it is written we have to cover the atomic structure from chemistry. Every morning you will be getting what you need to study in atomic structure. These are the important high yield chapters that you have to study for atomic structure. So it will be shared with you in the Discord community. There will be a dedicated channel for that. So a daily schedule is shared. Now you just wake up, just go through the topics what are important, because as you know, our syllabus is really scattered. If I have made a couple of videos about syllabus, so you can watch them, but our syllabus is really scattered. So in these 30 days, syllabus will be made easier for you. You won't have to look for massive PDFs. Every day a syllabus, a daily schedule will be shared with you. This is what you have to study for today. Now you got all the topics listed down. Now you will be, if you want, you can pre-read that chapter. Books PDF will be shared with you, the best books for you. If you want, you can read that, and then there will be 1 hour before the lecture, a past paper quiz will be shared with you. As we are studying today atomic structure, so I will extract all the past paper questions from past papers, and I will make a quiz for you, and I will share a quiz with you. So your email, you will have to attend that. Once you attempt it, you will get scores as well. Now the whole purpose of this quiz is, before attending the lecture, you can have what either you know or not. This is what Ahmed was asking. So if you know it, then it's perfect. But if not, live lecture is gonna teach you everything. So you know that how Ahmed has asked questions in the past from atomic structure. So once you understand this, so it will be a lot easier to understand the concept the similar way Ahmed was asking. So then you will get into live lecture. Whole chapter will be taught to you very thoroughly. You, although it will be going to quick because we have to cover whole syllabus within 30 days, so you will get each and every single thing taught to you. Okay, inside the lecture, in the end of the lecture, we will be discussing the same past paper question as well. I will solve all the past paper question that you attempted before the lecture, so you can know where you were wrong and where you were correct. But most importantly, what was the right approach to solve that. And in the live lecture, we will be discussing all the shortcuts, how to approach the questions, because there will be questions, similar questions asked every year, so you have to get a proper strategy to approach the question, because calculator is not allowed. So we will be dealing with tons of tips and tricks. Okay, now after the lecture, you will be given notes. Whatever we did in live lecture, you will be given the notes for those are gonna be really high yield important notes for your IMAT exam preparation. Like whatever the concept you studied in the live lecture, now you have got the notes. There will be a dedicated section in the Discord. Notes will be shared there. Now you got the notes, you can memorize all the information from those notes. So this is how it will be beautifully covering your whole chapter from daily schedule, then past paper quiz to live lecture, and then in the end, by reading notes, you can memorize everything, you can cram everything, and you are prepared for that chapter. Okay, after the notes, you will have the best textbook for IMAT preparation given to you, so you can read whole chapter from there as well and highlight the important thing. You will be taught how to do that, so you can highlight everything and you can make your own notes for last time revision, although you won't need to make notes because notes will be given to you. Now there comes the most important part, that is a chapter wise question bank will be given to you, so you can apply whatever you learned from reading the book, from attending the live lecture, from reading the notes and attempting the quizzes. So now you can apply your knowledge onto a chapter wise question bank. The question bank will be given to you, so you can attempt every day questions from same chapter whatever you studied, so you can know how many, how much you know. You can self-evaluate yourself. So after the chapter wise question bank, there will be a dedicated question practice bank for you, where you can solve IMAT style questions. There will be over 5,000 questions given to you, so you can attempt every single day 20 to 30 questions every day for the whole month. And this way, so you can have maximum concept, maximum information from every single chapter that we have studied. This way you will be not just mastering the whole syllabus, basically you will be on top 1% of the students. So this is basically a system. In a Discord community, there will be a dedicated section of daily schedule, notes, everyday live class, and then student discussions as well. And of course there will be Q&A sessions as well. So this is how you are not just like preparing the chapter every day, but you are mastering the chapter the way you won't have if you could not get into the system. So you are mastering the right information, right way, and with the right amount of time, because you will be focused. If you are focused, I mean, you can prepare really well. And in our previous 2 years, 2024 and 2025, students who joined these live courses, they scored maximum amount of scores. Students even scored 78.2 scores. You can check out the testimonials in the website as well. But now here comes the important thing. The seats gonna be limited for these live sessions, because we will be taking limited amount of students, as we don't want so much rush. As if like there gonna be tons of students in one community, we can't handle them, right? And there will be a mess. Students won't be learning, but they will be gossiping and everything. As we have got free community, in the free community there is so much rush and students can't get the right information. As this is going to be a dedicated community where you are preparing by yourself, but with the help of the students who scored really good in previous IMAT exams. So this is how. This is not gonna save your IMAT exam, but will eventually prepare you really great for your IMAT exam, and you can be in top scorer if you are going to put number of hours that are gonna require. Remember this, as in 30 days we have to cover the whole syllabus, so you have to be putting massive amount of hours as well. Not like every single day you just be putting 24 hours. No, you have to sleep, you have to do everything, but at least 10 to 12 hours every day. If you can put, I mean, it's like your career, you are going for a like doctorship, so if you can put these amount of hours in medicine, there will be like 15 to 20 hours in your exam. These will be required, you will have to work that. So if you can't sacrifice right now, so how you will sacrifice in medicine? So all said, you can join this July session, and if you want you can enroll for August session as well, but right now we will be starting the July session. So the link to the enrollment will be in video description. But the most important thing, if you are from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, you can have the local payment gateways as well. So for that you can approach us on WhatsApp. So if you want to join, then do hurry up because we have limited slots, so it will be completely on first come first serve basis. If you have any queries, feel free to DM me on Instagram, or you can ask directly on WhatsApp. So this all said, see you in the July session. Okay, you can check out all the relevant information on the web page, all the reviews, testimonials, every single thing, pricing, everything is mentioned there. And if you have any general query, you can ask in the comment box as well. So see you in the July live session. As seats are gonna be limited, so I will say join ASAP. See you in next video. Till bye bye.